Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be taking down my 4-month-old braids as well as detangling my hair. If you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So what I'm going to be using to detangle my hair is a spray bottle, 3 different combs. One is a rat tail comb, the other one is a wide tooth comb, and the other one is kind of like in between. Then I'm going to be using VO5's Kiwi Lemon Squeeze conditioner. I love to use this to help detangle my hair. And then I'm going to be using the African Pride Black Castor Miracle cleansing rinse, and I'm just going to add that into my spray bottle. And instead of just using water, I'm going to use this just because I just wanted to have more of like a cleansing agent versus just using water. And plus this also had some slip to it, so it also helped with the detangling process. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to take down each braid one by one, and as I take down each braid, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle that section. So I already took down one braid, and I'm just going to work with that part for now, and then I'll go ahead and take down the other braids as I go and detangle them. So what I like to do first is just make sure that I get the other braids out the way so I could just work with that one section, and then I'm just going to saturate that part of my hair with the cleanser, with the cleansing rinse. And as you can see here, I definitely have some buildup. Also, my hair is really matted, as you can see, and I just want to make sure that I'm going to be very careful when it comes to this part of my hair, so that way, you know, I'm not ripping any of my hair out or I'm not causing any type of damage. So that's where the cleansing rinse as well as the conditioner comes into play. So I'm just going to go ahead and saturate my hair with the cleansing rinse. This cleansing rinse says that it helps with buildup, so that's another reason why I wanted to use it instead of water, and just to try something different, just switch it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to follow up with the conditioner. Now I could add the conditioner to the spray bottle as well, but I just kind of like to keep it separate. So so once I've done saturating this section, I'm just going to follow up with the conditioner, and then I'm gonna use the medium-sized tooth comb to go ahead and just detangle my hair. So now when it comes to detangling my hair with the comb, I'm going to start off from the ends and then just work my way up. And then once I get to the part that's matted, I'm just going to work that knot downwards. So I'm just going to take my time and just comb it down all the way to the ends. So right now I'm just showing you guys the detangling process in like real time, just because I like to be very kind of thorough when it comes to detangling my hair, because I just don't want there to be an issue when it comes down to shampooing and conditioning my hair. So I want to make sure I get all the tangles, all the knots, all the matting out of my hair before I go into the next phase. So after I finish detangling this section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up so I could just get it out of my way. And then I'm just going to start with the other braids. And I'm just going to keep doing the same process over and over again. So I should have sped it up by now. If not, it's coming soon. Also, there's going to be some matting that I get that's going to be quite difficult, so I'm just going to be finger detangling those sections, so you will see that throughout the video as well.
What we do here is go back.
So I am finally done detangling my hair. It took me like 2.5 hours to finish detangling my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, I have a wash day routine video coming up soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. And right here is all the shed hair that I got, and for 4 months I don't think that was too bad. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.